This is Madison at 4.5 months. With the noisy breathing, I think it's Stridor. This is her with the shirt the little retracting showing. I don't know what's normal for babies. No signs and symptoms of respiratory distress. Madison has an appointment Tuesday with the Kids Care Pediatrics for a 4-month checkup and her shots. I called and notified them to let them know what was going on today. This has been going on for about 2 weeks. It's getting a little louder by the day. She's making the noise more during the daytime, like my oldest daughter, Jayla. Everything reminds me the same of my oldest daughter, Jayla. She went through this as a newborn, and she is now 6 years old. She has practically grown out of it during the daytime, but she still makes it at nighttime.